Have you ever looked at yourself in the mirror and thought, wow, I should be further ahead by now? If you're trying to get clients via LinkedIn, you are not alone. Every day, you can see other people booking calls, closing deals, growing their sales, and you wonder, why am I not succeeding? Maybe you're spending a lot of time on LinkedIn with no result. You want to get more meetings and more clients from LinkedIn, but you feel stuck, overwhelmed, confused, or maybe all three. I get it. I spent years in the exact same spot. I tried manual outreach, templates, and tools that felt robotic. Nothing generated me the meeting I wanted, until I finally paid another business owner to teach me how to get consistent sales meeting from LinkedIn. It wasn't about sending more messages, adding more tools, or working longer hours. It's about systems that think like a human, but work at a machine speed. Once I learned how to combine real sales psychology with AI automation, getting sales meetings stopped being stressful and started being predictable. That's when Salesman AI was born. Now, what I want to do is to return the favor. I want to show you the exact system we use to start real conversation, book qualified meetings, and scale outreach without sounding like a bot. Salesman AI is built specifically for founders, sales team, marketing teams, and agency who want results, not noise. And because we help thousands of users how to get meeting via LinkedIn, I can show you exactly how to do this. You can start booking meeting using automatic LinkedIn outreach, which is completely personalized by AI. You don't need to hire more staff, write scripts, or spend hours every day. Imagine if getting meeting was as simple as choosing who you want to talk to, letting AI send messages like a human will do, and opening your calendar to real meeting. If all that were true, would you at least be interested? Okay, now you might be wondering, what exactly is Salesman AI? Does this work without a big audience? Is it safe for LinkedIn? Do I need tech skills? And does this actually book meetings? Great question. Let me break it down. What is it? Salesman AI is a LinkedIn outreach platform that combines sales psychology, AI writing, and automation. So you can consistently start conversations with the right prospect without sounding generic or spammy. There is no audience required and no prior outreach experience needed. If you know who you want to sell to, SalesMind AI helps you to talk to them. Now, if that sounds insanely simple, that's because it is. So check it out. Henry, an enterprise account executive, starting getting 4 to 5 real replies per day in under 8 days. And those conversations turn directly into booked meeting. Bennett, a founder, used SalesMind AI to turn LinkedIn into a reliable sales channel, generating higher quality leads and measurable business growth without hiring extra people. Louis Albin, a CEO, automated outreach over 100 qualified prospects, letting the AI handle personalization while he focused on closing. Instead of chasing replies, Alex, a CTO, used SalesMind AI and increased his lead prospecting productivity by 10x, opening 5 to 10 new conversations every single week. Recruitment teams and consultants use it to cut outreach time dramatically, while opening an entire new pipeline they didn't had before. Same results, more meeting with the right people on the first try. And you can become one of those success stories. You want to know why? Because 43% is the average reply rate that our users get. That's right. Almost half of the messages that get sent using SalesMind get a reply. And that's why you will get more scheduled meetings. It's like having a full sales and marketing team that never gets started, never forget to follow up, and always sound on point. You still decide who to talk to and what you sell. SalesMind just handle the heavy lifting. Right now, companies are paying tens of thousands per month on sales team and marketing agency. And yet, all of that still depend on conversation. SalesMind AI give you the same outcome without paying tens of thousands of dollars. So, what if there were a way to get more meetings scheduled? And what if you could learn to get meetings in a faster, easier, and more fun way? What if you could launch your first SalesMind agent campaign in less than 30 minutes? Would you at least consider it? Alright. SalesMind AI works because it's easier than manual outreach, it's faster than hiring or training your team to do it, and it's more fun because you can skip the repetitive, boring stuff. And if you're watching this video right now, you already have all the tech skills you need. It's even faster and safer than doing it manually or using traditional outreach tool because you don't need tech skill. Interested yet? Good. Because SalesMind AI was built to smash through any obstacle that once was in the way of getting meetings via LinkedIn, it's why we have such an insanely high success rate. We're obsessed for years about removing everything that stops you from succeeding. And that's why with SalesMind AI, you can succeed without any expertise or skill, because let's face it, most people don't. And so we had to figure out a way to help people win. And of the 5 users I talked about earlier who saw results in the first week, only 2 of them had any experience before they started. You don't need any expertise in sales and marketing or tech skill in big LinkedIn following or hours per day. Everything is built in SalesMind. So what happened next? Well, you will follow our process. You're about to jump on a discovery call with us. This call is not a hard sales pitch, it's an interactive conversation where we will understand where you currently are, find out where you want to go, and see if SalesMind AI can get you there. If it does, great. If it doesn't, well, we will tell you. Either way, you'll leave with clarity. Worst case scenario, you walk away knowing exactly why your outreach hasn't worked yet and what would need to change. Best case scenario now, you discover a system that lets you spend less time on LinkedIn, have more and better conversations, and finally turn LinkedIn outreach into a consistent sales channel. And plenty of users never make the news, but will have 3, 5, 10 meetings a month. Change things for you. If so, then you're in the right place. Remember, the only guarantee is that you don't take the shot. You will stay exactly where you are. But if you do, you could be the next user that celebrates how you're consistently getting sales meetings and growing your business without spending hours on lead generation. If you're up to that, this is all I ask. Show up on the call prepared and let's have an honest conversation. See you soon.